One of the most common things that customers ask us for is a double-ended male cord. And the main reason being is that they're trying to transfer power from a generator to the appliances in the house. Don't do this. The double-ended male cord is literally called a suicide cord and even the widowmaker. And there's a lot of things that will go wrong if you use one. First of all, it's a fire hazard. The double-ended cord is out of code. The exposed end is flowing with electricity. You can either be shocked by the exposed prongs, or it could even start a house fire once inserted into your household socket. And my one rule is if electricians don't and can't use them, then you shouldn't either. Trying to improperly feed power from the generator back into the house by plugging it into an outlet is called backfeeding. Backfeeding is when you transfer power from a generator to an outlet in your home, which in turn runs electricity through your main panel and into the rest of your appliances. When backfeeding, your home will try to send power and electricity back out to the power lines and power grid, and this could injure the lines person doing service work on the grid. The best alternative would be for you to contact your local electrician and have them install our inlet, a transfer switch, or an interlocking device. Using one of these systems will help you power your home properly without the dangers of a double male-ended cord. According to safety experts, roughly 1,000 deaths each year are attributed to electrocutions, and many of these incidents involve improper use of these double male-ended extension cords. Sometimes we even see people attempt to connect two different adapters together to create a long double-ended male cord. Instead, use adapters on your generator and plug them up directly to the appliance that you need powered. Sometimes you may want to power more than just a few things. This might require you to invest in a bigger and more powerful generator that has a higher running wattage capacity. If you're looking for ways to maximize the outlets on your generator and power as much as you can with the standard NEMA 515 household plugs, click the video in the top right for some easy solutions. Before we end this video, we wanted to share some other best practices when it comes to using extension cords on your generator. Always check the cord for damage before use. Never run cords through water or in damp areas unless they're rated for such conditions. And always unplug your cords when they're not in use to prevent potential hazards. Stay safe and powered up this hurricane season. If you have any questions about extension cords or power adapters, please feel free to leave a comment below. Until next time, stay powered up with AC Works Power Solutions.